Every car owner's nightmare is seeing the check engine light illuminate on the dashboard. This warning signals that something under the hood needs attention, but how serious is it? The issue could be a simple fix, or it could lead to costly repairs if not addressed promptly. Either way, it's crucial to identify the cause as soon as possible. Here are 6 common reasons your check engine light might be on. Overdue oil change. Regular oil changes are essential for keeping your engine running smoothly. If your engine oil is old or low, it can cause increased friction and wear on engine components. This can trigger the check engine light as a warning to change your oil before more significant problems arise. Loose or damaged gas cap. The gas cap seals the fuel system to prevent fuel vapor from escaping. If it's loose or damaged, this seal is broken, allowing vapor to escape and causing the check engine light to turn on. Regularly check and tighten or replace the gas cap to keep your car running smoothly. Faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor monitors the level of oxygen in the exhaust gases, ensuring optimal fuel combustion. If it malfunctions, the engine may run too lean or too rich, leading to misfires, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. This can trigger the check engine light. Catalytic converter issues. The catalytic converter reduces harmful emissions from your vehicle's exhaust. Over time, or if related issues like bad spark plugs are neglected, the converter can fail. Symptoms include sluggish acceleration, dark exhaust smoke, and decreased fuel economy. A failed catalytic converter can be costly to replace. Mass airflow sensor problems. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, helping to determine the correct fuel mixture. A faulty sensor can cause engine stalling, jerky acceleration, and poor fuel economy, all of which can trigger the check engine light. Worn spark plugs and ignition coils. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in the engine, and ignition coils provide the necessary voltage. Over time, spark plugs wear out, leading to engine misfires, reduced fuel economy, and difficulty starting the engine. Gnawing worn spark plugs can also damage the ignition coils, both of which may need to be replaced. Why you shouldn't ignore the check engine light. If your check engine light is on, don't ignore it, especially if it's flashing, which indicates a severe problem. Even if it's just illuminated, continuing to drive without addressing the issue can lead to reduced fuel economy and more expensive repairs down the road. Many systems in your vehicle work together, so a problem in one area can cause a chain reaction affecting others. Plus, if you take your vehicle for a state inspection with the check engine light on, you'll likely fail the emissions test. Always address the check engine light as soon as possible to maintain your vehicle's integrity. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.